What's up, guys? It's Aysia all the way here _ starting with an A. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please go click that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications. Now let's roll into this video. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on my hair. The nap is real. I know y'all see that. We are going to do the slick back bun, or I might do the ponytail, the bun or the ponytail, I don't know yet. I'm gonna show you what I'm going to put in my hair, the products in my hair, and everything else. So I am going to fast forward this so I don't have to move slow in this video. So I'm put the speed lapse on, okay? Let's start now with this nappy hair. As y'all can see, if y'all want some lashes like this, I got them from AliExpress. The link will be in the description below. Before we get into this video, I wanted to show y'all the products that I used on my hair, because during the time lapse, the speed makes you to where you can't see the products a little bit. Maybe the lighting was messed up, or I just showed it too short of a time. So I was going to show y'all the products that I used in my hair. The first product I used is Eco Style Professional Styling Gel Coconut Oil kind. Max hold is 10 and is alcohol free. You can get this at your local drugstore. It works really good. The second thing I use is the Eco Natural Cocktail Super Fruit Curl Complex. This what I used secondly, and I put this on top of my hair to just be extra and slide it down a little bit more. And I usually use it for my curls, but for my baby hairs, I use the 24-hour Edge Tamer Extreme Firm Hold. This works so good. Like, I got this from the hair store and it works so good. This will hold your hair for 24 hours, probably more than that. Yes, I use that. That's all the products I used. I just wanted to show y'all because the video goes too fast and you might not see it well. So yes, now let's roll into this video. This is the final look. Let y'all get a little feature of it. And to really just make these curly things, if you didn't see it, I just put the comb in there and wind it up. And that was a curl. If you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. I would love it if you would. Turn on post notifications if you like to see me more. These lashes will be in the link where I got them, in the description. I got this necklace from Soulfield. That's an app. I will put that in the description too if you would like to order one of these. This is the slick back I did for this video. Hope y'all liked it and it helped you know how to do one. I'll see y'all in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Let's roll out of here.